Alright, the toys. I gotta go tell Sonic and Shadow.
No more Funko Pops. Oh, the Funko Pops are chasing me. Ah!
You and your dirty friends broke me. I am gonna destroy you.
Ah! Don't destroy me. It was an accident. Ah, the Funko Pops.
Hey, Sonic. What's up? What you doing?
Ah!
I'll just go wake up Shadow. He's probably somewhere. I don't know. Whatever.
Anybody? Help.
Shadow. Beep.
What time is it? Is it our president? Just like in the Sonic movie. Tails, are you okay? Sorry. Just got a little bit too exciting because we're opening up toys. Come on. Oh.
Right behind you. Did a tiny jump again. Yeah.
Please help.
Okay.
Hi, Tails.
Get down, Sonic. It's just a small height.
It's too far down.
No, it's not. I'm not even gonna bring you down. You can get down here, you little baby.
Oh my gosh. Everyone knows to pick the right choice. No, just like Jenga. I always win in Jenga. This one. Yeah, let me just... Okay. A little careful. A little. He's almost down.
You know what? I'm just gonna get him. Hey, I just want to hang out for a little bit over here. Get me down!
Almost.
You know, just...
Oh, I did it. Oh, ow.
Ouch.
Ow. Let's just get this over with. We each get two. Choose this one. That one.
Ew, me. That one? That one. Your turn, Shadow. Mine.
Why do I get Plankton?
Who are these guys anyways?
Well, that's Patrick. You got SpongeBob with his pink hat.
That looks like a brain.
Doesn't matter. And you got Patrick. He looks kind of stupid. And you got Boring Squidward. Boring. You even got Patrick. He looks kind of gross. Anyways, why do I only get Plankton? He's an evil guy. Whatever, just you start. Sonic, okay. I'll just... Who should I start first? Maybe I should start with this guy. He looks all charming. Yeah. Boring. Boing, 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 boring. Oh my gosh. Squidward is the most boringest character ever. What the? No, he's not. Let me open this. He looks awesome. He looks classy. Ooh, what's this? Series 1. SpongeBob Culture pants. Okay, you can't collect them all. Oh, sweet. Is this all of them? Well, I don't know. Let me open. Is this even a checklist? Duh. Okay. Whoa, sweet. This is SpongeBob B movie. The scariest one ever. This is... Ew. So that is a brain, I guess. Painting. Hey, there's my character. What? SpongeBob is the best and classy. And we got Patrick, and this is old-timey. That's all they got? Wow. I hope they're gonna post out more. Yeah, it looks so cool. I'll save that for later. Look at that. Blobby nose. I just want to stare at this all. Nope. I said no. No. Nope. Yep, no. He looked no good. He was so young. 'Cause he's old-timey. He's old. But why is he grabbing from his pants? Ew. That is the most disgusting action figure I ever saw. If you did kiss it, I would use a hammer on it. Okay. Just put that in the basement. Well, in the attic is better, but put it in the basement or the attic. You only have one choice. Okay, basement. Okay, if I see it. So you gotta hide it, because if I see it, I'll use a hammer on it. Okay. You're next, Tails.
Get that old-timey out of here. That old-timey boring Squidward. Is he boring, or is his name Squidward? What's his last name? I think it's last... I watched SpongeBob before. I remember. Squidward Tensia.
That's wrong. His last name is Squidward Tentacles.
I thought it was Tensia. Whatever.
Oh my gosh, Tails, stop. I think you can't even get it out.
I could.
And I think it's squashed.
It can't be squashed.
Yeah.
Not squashed.
Tails, did you just pass it from this toy? Is everything gonna go in the garbage? Oh my gosh. She didn't suck on my brain.
What was that toy anyways? I can't remember. Well, that brain sucker sucked it up. I think it was scary. I'm not sure. But I used that brain sucker 2000 sucked it up. Anyways, what was I gonna do? I think I sucked that up too. Yeah.
You were gonna open up your toys.
Right. Yeah. Which toy was it?
Patrick.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that would have been bad. My whole brain sucked the whole thing up. Anyways, like sucked up all my memory. Anyways, we got my toy out. Is he whistling? I thought Patrick never whistles. Last one. Baby. Or is it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 1,000! That's how many toys you're gonna open up, Shadow?
No, it's just... Wow. No, Tails, it's just one.
Oh my gosh, this stupid fuck.
No, Tails, it's just one. It's right over there. Why would I open up 1,000? That would be so stupid of me. Anyways, you sucked up too much, so you need plankton's lab to suck it up. Anyways, I'll get you for this magic box. Whoa. Just... Whoa. Did it just hook to my hand? Well, anyways, bye. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit you. How you like that? Even I hit your toy. Good. Well, bye. Also, don't forget to hit Shadow on the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a like. Bye.